welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Sesa Goa has 24 hours, follow guidelines or face legal action. Pollution Control Board issues show cause notice. Agitated Navelkaars march to Sesa Ghor. Newly elected Chairman of Goa State Co-operative Bank says salvaging Apex State Bank is priority, no revenge politics, general body to debate probe into scams. Students to clear national eligibility come entrance test for medicine and dental degree education. Exams in May 2013, state quota remains intact. Lack of clarity by AIFF on I-League keeps Dempo Sports Club Shah Rukh Khan deal hanging. Srinivas Dempo concerned over delay in Indian football's path-breaking deal. And Samir Naik clinches Dilip Sardesai Sports Excellence Award for services to Indian football. Samir becomes third Dempo footballer to win Sardesai Award. Defender pockets 2 lakh rupee purse. Now the news in detail. Goa Pollution Control Board can take action against pig iron plant of Sesa Goa if the company doesn't follow all guidelines in next 24 hours. Sesa Goa has to reply to the show cause notice issued by the Pollution Control Board within 48 hours. On Tuesday evening, Naveli locals agitated in front of Sesa Ghor at Pato and Panji, demanding complete closure of the plant.
Goa State Pollution Control Board issued show cause notice to Sesa Goa's pig iron plant at Navelim village for violating Air and Water Act. Board has asked the company to submit all the documents. Board has also warned legal action if the company fails to provide the necessary documents. Inspection of the site was carried out by Goa Pollution Board on 21st August following complaints by the locals.
The complaint received from the villagers. The Pollution Control Board conducted a site inspection on 21st of this month and submitted a report to the chairman. Based on the report, we issued them directions. Yesterday, the Pollution Control Board issued directions to the coke plant, to the Sesa Goa, to stop the new set of coke plants in Naveli village within 48 hours. Also to investigate the root cause which led to this incident of black smoke and carbon particles in the atmosphere. Take appropriate measures to prevent such incidents in future. Submit an action plan what they plan to do to prevent this action, and also to clean up the households, the roads and the structures of all the carbon particles which has been deposited due to this incident.
According to the sources from the board, Sesa Goa has been asked to submit documents only after intense pressure from the locals. If Sesa submits relevant documents, then no action will be initiated against them. Sources also inform that government is reluctant to shut down the plant permanently. Meanwhile, an agitation is on in London against Sesa. In Goa, Navelim villagers along with Adorna Farmers Tenants Association held an agitation in front of Sesa Ghor at Pato Panji. Environmental activist Ramesh Gawas has demanded takeover of all Sesa Goa plants by the government.
सेजा गोवाच्यो ज्यो सगळ्यो एकूण खणी आसात ह्यो सगळ्यो खणी सरकारान ताबडतोब ताब्यान घेवच्यो आणि जो सरकाराक जो सेजा गोवाच्या मायनिंग ऑपरेशनच्या खातीर सेजा गोवा जे आमचे गोंयचे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन करता त्याच्यामुळे आमचो रेव्हेन्यू लॉस जाता तो सगळो सरकारान ताब्यान घेवन सरकाराच्या तिजोरीन हो मॅक्झिमम पयसो सेजा गोवाच्या तिजोरीन जो वयता तो हाडचो लोकांचे गोंयचे कल्याण जातलें आणि त्याच बरोबर ताका एक रेग्युलेशन येतलें.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडेंट मीडिया.
Newly elected Chairman of Goa State Co-operative Bank Ullas Faldesai has made it clear that salvaging the Apex State Bank is incumbent board's priority and not probe into the scams. He says the issue of investigating the scams by the previous board of directors will be discussed by the general body. Sangha MLA and ruling panel's mentor Subhash Faldesai had said in head-on that the alleged scams in the bank post-year 2000 would be investigated.
आमी मेन फोकस हो दितले की आमची बँक सद्या परिस्थितींतल्यान कशी आमी स्ट्रेंथन करता ते आनी सायमल्टेनियसली हाजेर सुद्दां अशें कितें हें आसा ताजेर वयस पयलीं जनरल बॉडी वतलो जी जनरल बॉडीची हाऊस कमिटी काडटात आनी त्या हाऊस कमिटी मार्फत पयलीं रिपोर्ट तयार जाता प्रिमा फायसी सगळे एविडन्सीस घेवन आनी फुडली एक्शन ही ताजे नंतर जाता जनरल बॉडीन जशें डिसिशन घेता तशें आमी हें करतले.
It has to start from the beginning. अशें जर इरेग्युलेटरीज आसा जर जाय स्कॅम्स आसा जर जाय आमची पार्टी आसूं किंवा मुळेची आसूं कळ्ळें न्ही कायदो हो सगळ्यांक समान आसता.
आनी सुभाष फळदेसाय तांची स्वताची सुद्दां कोणी मनीस मेळ्ळ्यार तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करचो ना.
ना एब्सोल्युटली
कमिटमेंट
ना कमिटमेंट हय
डायरेक्टर गेल्या कोता येता
डायरेक्टर गेल्या कोता येता काय
तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करचो ना
कळ्ळें न्ही. म्हजो भाव
परिवर्तन बँक निवळ करतले.
सुरवातीच्या काळाक म्हाका दिसता की 10 वर्सां पयलीं म्हजो भाव डायरेक्टर आशिल्लो आनी त्या काळान पसून ताजेर जर आसा जर जाय आय वूड टेल हिम दॅट स्टेप डावन.
New chairman says Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured that the major government schemes like Ladli Lakshmi, Gruha Lakshmi and housing loans to government servants will be routed through the Goa State Co-operative Bank.
गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो ज्यो स्किम्स आसात तीच म्हणल्यार लाडली लक्ष्मी, गृहलक्ष्मी ह्यो स्किम्स आसात त्यो स्किम्स आमचे बँके मार्फत राबोवपाच्यो अशें म्हणून ताणें आमकां आश्वासन दिल्ले कडेन आसा.
Earlier elections for chairman and vice chairman of Goa State Co-operative Bank were held at bank premises on Tuesday. Only 2 nominations were filed for the key posts. As planned, Ullas Faldesai was elected as chairman and Avelino Marcos as vice chairman of bank. 4 directors from Mule panel also supported Subhash Faldesai panel, which takes tally of directors to 13. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi, with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Students who want to secure degree education in medicine and dental will now have to clear national eligibility cum entrance test and not the state common entrance test from next year. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that the exam will be held every year on 12th May. However, state quota will not be changed.
These are applicable for all medical and dental colleges across the country. जे seat allocation all India quota आतापर्यंत 15% आसा तशेंच उरता. स्टेट कोटाचे 85% unchanged उरता तशेंच उरता.
The students can apply online for the NEET. Examination will be videographed.
Application submit करपाच्यो तारखो it is 1st December to 31st December 2012. First late fee it is 1st January to 15th January and with second late fee it is January 16 to January 31st. Here date of NEET UG exam ही 12 मे 2013 तारखेक आसा. NEET exam will be videographed and unfair means will be dealt with serious action.
The health department has forwarded a proposal to GSIDC for adding more rooms to the girls' hostel.
Because the number of girl students has increased, now we get 70% are lady students who come, 70%, and boys are only 30%. So we require more rooms for the ladies hostel. So we have also requested GSIDC to put up a new girls hostel with 150 rooms.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Sushant Pard.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.